Welcome to another vlog. आज ना vlog नहीं ना आया मुसीबत ही है. So the story is we came from from Manchester to Doha to Islamabad और वहाँ मसला हो गया. किसी ने गलती से हमारा सूटकेस ले गए. Somebody took our suitcase गलती से. Because उनका भी टैग ऐसे कलर का था यार. और ये भी है. So देखो हमारी ईमानदारी. We got this suitcase. Now we are in Islamabad. We are going where Hasib?
झेलम.
ए बंदे झेलम ने
ना नहीं वजह तो मी 2 घंटे इंतजार करना पिया सा.
2 घंटे एयरपोर्ट पर यार. हुन जुले obviously है. इन्हां दी मानत है.
बिल्कुल.
नाले दूए सूटकेस जरा उन्ना असाना सूटकेस उन्ना कोल है. ठीक है. हमारे कच्चे बनाना ही है.
चलो कोई नहीं.
हुन जुले
झेलम.
ये देखो ना आशिकी मशूकी हुई सी. Yes, folks, we are coming to a sandstorm in Islamabad. No, we're not in Dubai. For you guys who are we're in the desert. No, we're not in the desert. We're in Islamabad. And you know what? हमारी बूथी इतनी चिट्टी सी उनकाली होगी. Wow. Yeah, I gotta clean my face. Yeah, my mascara, my moisturizing creams come off. With my foundation with this sandstorm. Oh, the things that we're going through in Islamabad. Rabat. मंदरा.
फिर उसके बाद आसी गुजर खान. उसके बाद फिर क्या सुहावा दीना असल में जरा क्या मिशन है उसना झेलम.
This is the famous bridge of Rabat. Check that out. Well, what's it famous for? It's famous to go across from one end to the other. Brilliant. Check that out. And check these people out. They're school kids. Yes, folks, we are approaching Bavli restaurant. It's going to be a pit stop. Yes, we have landed.
Bavli restaurant.
We have landed in Bavli restaurant. You know what? We need a pit stop, and also we come to drop this suitcase. बड़े मसले हैं. बिल्कुल. तकवा सनी ईमानदारी. Yes, but anyway, we're gonna go and eat. What we're gonna eat, Hasib? क्या खाएंगे?
देखें आप मेन्यू में क्या वैसे पॉपुलर तो इनकी कढ़ाई चिकन है यार.
कढ़ाई चिकन तो
खाएंगे.
मुर्गी
चिकन. यस. मुर्गी
भी है.
शीप भी है. बीफ भी है.
और
camel I don't know.
He doesn't know if there's a camel, and we don't eat cats and frogs, folks. So let's resume.
अच्छा, ये अभी हम बावली रेस्टोरेंट पहुँचे और रास्ते में रुके क्योंकि अभी हम इस्लामाबाद से रवाना हुए हैं और झेलम जा रहे हैं. रास्ते में रुके खाना खाने के लिए भूख लगी है. तो ये देखिए, ये तो पहली दफ़ा मैं इधर आई हूँ. ये देखिए यहाँ का माहौल. ये देखिए, सुना है यहाँ का खाना पीना बहुत मशहूर है. तो अभी बस खाना खाने जा रहे हैं.
टॉयलेट भी मिल गई, टेबल भी मिल गया.
चलो फिर चलो.
So yes, that's the menu. Check that out. I do not know how to translate this into Urdu to English because I missed a lot of Urdu classes as I was growing up. Yes. This is Tana.
जी.
तो मैं Urdu क्लासेस बताई कि इतना ना पढ़ा.
जी.
और मैं नहीं ज़्यादा ध्यान टीचर बताना चाहता.
ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ क्या कर सकी. चलो और कोई कम नहीं सी. स्कूले च इनाम नहीं सी ने. लोग पढ़ने ते जाने.
Yes, folks, we have ordered the 1 kilo karai. Check that out. Mazedar that looks. And we've ordered the desi chapatis. Check that out. And then we got the plates and we got the water. Oh, a bit of yogurt in as well. मजेदार.
जी, बहुत नाइस कढ़ाई है.
Nice. You know what? If you're ever in the area, you come and give this place a shot. It's brilliant.
बहुत नाइस है। अगर आप इस एरिया में तो ज़रूर आएँ, ट्राई करें यहाँ की कढ़ाई। और हमने ऑर्डर की है चिकन कढ़ाई, बहुत नाइस है।
And we got the dal mash. Dal mash भी आ गई है, देखो इसको। Yes, folks, there's a McDonald's. Yes, a McDonald's coming to Gujar Khan soon. They're all there, the advertisements. We have come to the Truckee Plaza, another place where they take Jaga tax. The same Jaga tax, Ali Jaga, you know.
वो है ना,
How much they give it taking here? 100 rupees?
नहीं 30 रुपीज।
30 rupees. Check this one out. Yes. Check this out. And then after this, they open it, and then that's when we get off to the next. Where are we going now? See, Jhelum. Hey, Takona, we have landed in. Where we landed, Mr. Hasib? We have landed in Jhelum. Check Jhelum out. We are going Jhelum. We've come to hand this suitcase back. Yes, folks, we have landed in Jhelum, and we are going to give this suitcase back to its rightful owners. आपको माफ किया हुआ है, माफ किया। अच्छा।
क्योंकि हम इधर के रिहायशी हैं।
रिहायशी हैं, आप रिहायशी हैं यार, ऐसे
हम
देखते
इधर
हैं।
के पास दिखाएंगे हम सब।
Yes, he showed his Shinati card and he's told him to do one. Yes, folks, this is Jhelum Bridge. Wow. When you say you've seen the lot, you haven't. This is what you gotta see. You gotta be here to see it and believe in it. Yeah, this is phenomenal views. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Do you know what? Yes, Jhelum Bridge. You know, there's a bit of a bounce on this bridge as well. You know what? Brilliant. This is Cam. We have landed in Jhelum after a couple of hours. To be precise, about 3-4 hours, and we have come to give the suitcase to the rightful owners, and let's hope we get our suitcase back.
इंशाल्लाह।
Next day.
So yes, folks, moment of truth. Yes, suitcase wale na who the suitcase belongs, they've come to collect it. So yes, the suitcase is being shipped downstairs carefully, very carefully. So yes, we have got our suitcase back, and they're having their suitcase. Wonderful family. They've returned our suitcase. We've given them their suitcase. They've given us our suitcase. जो भी है हमारा suitcase मिल गया। मेरे कच्चे बनेने. I was on my last pair today, so
I'm really happy.
I'm really
because,
happy.
There was some of my clothes and stuff in there as well, and the istri. We couldn't even iron no
But the moral of
clothes.
the story is, it's not about what was in the suitcase.
Yeah.
We both returned it in
Yeah, we've
Mandari.
exchanged it,
So
exactly.
that is an example to everyone.
Yeah.
If you do lose your suitcase, you took the wrong one.
Yeah.
It happens, but make sure you do try to return it if you
Yeah,
can.
don't open it and just try and
Lock
contact
it.
the people and try and exchange and return it. And this family was they said they were from the UK, from Preston.
Preston, yes.
Yeah, they came on the same flight, and it happens.
Right, folks,
Yeah.
this is the end of the vlog. Hope you like this vlog. Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
From me and Mrs. Khan.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz.
Hafiz.